Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake pastry. First, let's talk about the foundation, your crust. A classic choice is graham crackers, but shortbread cookies also work wonderfully. You'll want to combine your finely crushed crumbs with some melted butter and a bit of sugar. This mixture then gets pressed firmly into the bottom of your springform pan, creating a sturdy base for your delicious cheesecake. Achieving an even crust is key. Use a flat-bottomed glass or a measuring cup to press the crumb mixture firmly and uniformly across the bottom and slightly up the sides of your pan. Then, pre-bake your crust for about 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps set the crust and prevents it from becoming soggy. Remember to let it cool completely before you add your cheesecake filling. Don't be afraid to get creative with your crust. Beyond graham crackers, you can use crushed chocolate cookies, pretzels for a salty sweet twist, or even finely ground nuts. Just remember to adjust the butter and sugar amounts as needed, since different bases absorb liquids differently. For a simpler approach, a no-bake crust can be made by chilling it for at least 2 hours, skipping the oven entirely. For a truly perfect cheesecake crust, here are a few final tips. Make sure your crumbs are finely ground. This ensures a uniform texture and helps the crust hold together. Avoid overprocessing the mixture, as this can make the crust tough or overly oily. Finally, chilling your prepared crust for about 15 minutes before baking can help it set even better, leading to a beautifully stable and delicious foundation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.